good set came missing one bit. That is shown in the picture. I think there's an issue with theft at the distribution center near me because I've had multiple items in multiple packages either be missing or obviously broken into. Definitely a nice set. Is more durable and nicer looking than expected. It's all together and for a person doing light household stuff. Thank you very much. As described in the advertisement. Very happy. Missing a few pieces. This isn't 100 pieces as posted. Almost perfect. The bits are good quality and are DEWALT brand, but the packaging is not correct. Overall I received the correct number and type of bits, but the ToughCase is 7 bits across instead of 8, leading to some empty spots in the assortment. See pictures. This isn't a huge problem for me, but this was a gift. It is inconvenient to have to explain why it looks like some are missing. This kit was very affordable and arrived in a timely fashion. There is no damage, but I found out that there are 6 bits missing that are supposed to be in the kit. Not cool. I really like this cute little set of tool. It is perfect for my lady's toolbox. Drill bits, flattened Phillips heads and all sorts of good stuff. Each box connects to the others, making it easy to just take what you really need or everything in a moment's notice. Go get you one. I love it. There were empty slots, but I counted and there's definitely 100 bits. There was an extra row that held a few pieces to compensate, but we are missing this piece that I circled in the photo, so I'm gonna take a star off. But I'm sure this will still make a nice gift. It's probably enough to use it for more than 10 years. Got plenty of bits drivers, but the set combination is off. Different cases and there are empty slots.